Hello friends, in today's video we will be exploring which year WWE wrestlers made their debut in the wrestling industry, how many years they have been actively wrestling, and what are their nicknames. This video is packed with interesting information, so let's dive right in. Number 1. Sheamus. Sheamus is from Cabra, Ireland. He debuted in the wrestling industry on April 16, 2002 and has been active for 22 years. Known as the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus is 36 years old in 2024. Number 2. AJ Styles. AJ Styles comes from Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, United States. He started wrestling on February 15, 1999 and has been in the industry for 25 years. Nicknamed the Phenomenal One, AJ Styles is 47 years old in 2024. Number 3. CM Punk. CM Punk is from Chicago, Illinois, United States. He began his wrestling career on September 12, 1999 and has been active for 25 years. Known as the best in the world, CM Punk is 45 years old in 2024. Number 4. Triple H. Triple H hails from Nausea, New Hampshire. He debuted in wrestling on March 18, 1992 and has been wrestling for 30 years. His nickname is The Game and he is 55 years old in 2024. Number 5. John Cena. John Cena is from West Newbury, Massachusetts, United States. He started his wrestling career on November 5, 1999 and has been active for 24 years. Known as the Champ, John Cena is 47 years old in 2024. Number 6. Gunther. Gunther is from Vienna, Austria and he debuted in the wrestling industry on November 19, 2005 and has been active for 18 years. Known as the Ring General, Gunther is 37 years old in 2024. Number 7. The Rock. The Rock hails from Harvard, California, United States. He began his wrestling career on March 10, 1996 and has been wrestling for 20 years. Nicknamed the Final Boss, The Rock is 52 years old in 2024. Number 8. Drew McIntyre. Drew McIntyre is from Ayr, United Kingdom. He made his wrestling debut on May 9, 2001 and has been active for 23 years. Known as the Scottish Warrior, Drew McIntyre is 39 years old in 2024. Number 9. Ric Flair. Ric Flair comes from Memphis, Tennessee, United States. He started his wrestling career on December 10, 1972 and has been wrestling for 49 years. Nicknamed the Nature Boy, Ric Flair is 75 years old in 2024. Number 10. Randy Orton. Randy Orton is from Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. He debuted in wrestling on April 2, 1999 and has been active for 25 years. Known as the Viper, Randy Orton is 44 years old in 2024. Number 11. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan hails from Augusta, Georgia, United States. He began his wrestling career on August 9, 1977 and has been wrestling for 34 years. Nicknamed Immortal, Hulk Hogan is 71 years old in 2024. Number 12. LA Knight. LA Knight comes from Hagerstown, Maryland, United States. He debuted in the wrestling industry on February 15, 2002 and has been active for 22 years. Known as the Magister, LA Knight is 41 years old in 2024. Number 13. Batista. Batista is from Washington, D.C., United States. He started his wrestling career on October 30, 1999 and has been active for 19 years. Nicknamed the Animal, Batista is 55 years old in 2024. Number 14. The Undertaker. The Undertaker hails from Houston, Texas, United States. He made his wrestling debut on June 26, 1987 and has been active for 33 years. Known as the Dead Man, The Undertaker is 60 years old in 2024. Number 15. Dusty Rhodes. Dusty Rhodes was from Austin, Texas, United States. He debuted in the wrestling industry on December 22, 1967 and had a career spanning 40 years. Known as the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes was 69 years old at the time of his passing. Number 16. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes hails from Marietta, Georgia, United States. He began his wrestling career on May 13, 2006 and has been active for 18 years. Nicknamed the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes is 39 years old in 2024. Number 17. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar is from Webster, South Dakota, United States. He made his wrestling debut on October 11, 2000 and has been active for 23 years. Known as the Beast Incarnate, Brock Lesnar is 47 years old in 2024. Number 18. Kane. Kane is from Torrejon-de-Ardoz, Spain. He started his wrestling career on June 18, 1992 and has been wrestling for 32 years, known as the Brick Red Machine. Kane is 57 years old in 2024. Number 19. Big Show. Big Show hails from Aiken, South Carolina, United States. He debuted in wrestling on September 8, 1994 and has been active for 30 years, known as the world's largest athlete. Big Show is 52 years old in 2024. Number 20. Paul Heyman. Paul Heyman is from Scottsdale, New York, United States. He started in the wrestling industry as a manager on January 2, 1987 and has been active for 37 years, known as the Wise Man. Paul Heyman is 58 years old in 2024. Number 21. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns is from Pensacola, Florida, United States. He made his wrestling debut on August 19, 2010 and has been wrestling for 14 years. Nicknamed our Tribal Chief, Roman Reigns is 39 years old in 2024. Number 22. Steve Austin. Steve Austin hails from Victoria, Texas, United States. He debuted in wrestling on September 30, 1989 and has been active for 13 years, known as Stone Cold. Steve Austin is 59 years old in 2024. Number 23. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels is from Chandler, Arizona, United States. He began his wrestling career on October 8, 1984 and has been active for 25 years, known as the Heartbreak Kid. Shawn Michaels is 59 years old in 2024. Number 24. Bret Hart. Bret Hart hails from Calgary, Canada. He started his wrestling career on March 29, 1978 and has been active for 21 years. Known as the Excellence of Execution, Bret Hart is 67 years old in 2024. Number 25. Randy Savage. Randy Savage was from Columbus, Ohio, United States. He debuted in the wrestling industry on January 14, 2000 and had an impressive career years, known as Macho Man. Randy Savage passed away on May 20, 2011 at the age of 58. Number 26. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan is from Aberdeen, Washington, United States. He made his wrestling debut on October 4, 1999 and has been active for 24 years, known as the American Dragon. Daniel Bryan is 43 years old in 2024. Number 27. Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho hails from Manhasset, New York, United States. He started his wrestling career on October 2, 1990 and has been active for 33 years, known as Y2J. Chris Jericho is 53 years old in 2024. Number 28. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio is from Chula Vista, California, United States. He debuted in wrestling on April 30, 1989 and has been wrestling for 35 years, known as the Master of 619. Rey Mysterio is 49 years old in 2024. Number 29. Booker T. Booker T is from Plandealing, Louisiana, United States. He began his wrestling career on April 21, 2000 and has been active for 23 years, known as King Booker. Booker T is 59 years old in 2024. Number 30. Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose hails from Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. He debuted on August 6, 2004 and has been active for 20 years, known as the Lunatic Fringe. Dean Ambrose is 38 years old in 2024. Number 31. Bobby Lashley. Bobby Lashley is from Junction City, Kansas, United States. He started wrestling on January 2, 1999 and has been active for 25 years, known as the Almighty. Bobby Lashley is 48 years old in 2024. Number 32. Braun Strowman. Braun Strowman has from Charlottesville, North Carolina, United States. He made his wrestling debut on December 19, 2014 and has been active for 9 years. Known as the Monster Among Men, Braun Strowman is 41 years old in 2024. Number 33. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins is from Davenport, Iowa, United States. He debuted in the wrestling industry on August 2, 2003 and has been active for 21 years. Known as Monday Night Messiah, Seth Rollins is 38 years old in 2024. Number 34. The Miz. The Miz has from Parma, Ohio, United States. He started his wrestling career on May 26, 2003 and has been active for 21 years. Known as the Awesome One, The Miz is 43 years old in 2024. Number 35. Kurt Angle. Kurt Angle is from Mount Lebanon Township, Pennsylvania, United States. He made his wrestling debut on August 8, 1998 and has been active for 21 years. Known as the Olympic Hero, Kurt Angle is 55 years old in 2024. Number 36. Shinsuke Nakamura. Shinsuke Nakamura hails from Kyoto, Kyoto, Japan. He debuted in wrestling on August 29, 2002 and has been active for 22 years. Known as King of Strong Style, Shinsuke Nakamura is 44 years old in 2024. So friends, those were the WWE wrestler debuts and their nicknames. For more informative videos like this, click on the playlist button and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.